Welcome back coders, welcome to Coding Casually, and today what we'll do is we'll try to install some Python modules through pip installation. Most of the time, of course, I know that people can do it without any issue, and most of the videos and most of the articles which are available on the web, and I'm talking about beginners, what they tell us is to create virtual environments and then do installations of the modules. But this video is completely for beginners. What I want to tell these guys or people who are starting to code for Python and want to install new modules, they don't want to create virtual environments. What they can do is they can follow a simple step and then they can install the module that they wish to. So for this video, what we'll do is I'll hop on to the directory where my Python installation is done. For me, I have it under Anaconda, but there's a good possibility that you haven't installed Anaconda in your system, but you still wish to install Python modules through pip installation. What you can do is you can hop onto the directory where your Python is installed and go and find the folder called scripts. So the moment you find this folder, you just copy the location of the same, press window R on your system, and then write cmd. The moment you write cmd, what your next step would be, press cmd, which is change directory, and paste the location of the script folder. Now you are in the script folder through cmd. Now what you can do is you can write pip install and the name of the module that you want to install. For me, I have most of them installed, but for the sake of the example, I can write selenium. And for me, what it'll tell me is that I have it in my system, but for you, if you don't have it, then it will install it for you. And if you don't have it, it will install it for you, but if you have it, it will show you such message. So this is the simple way you install module in Python. This is completely for beginners. This is like pip install for Python, the simple step to install it. If you like the video, please press the like button, and if you like the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.